Hello everyone, it's DeLaDoll here. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am a cosplayer, blogger, and basically an all-around artsy nerd. I do a little bit of everything from makeup to crafting tutorials, and this video is going to be a makeup tutorial inspired by the character Mitsuri Kanroji from Demon Slayer. I came up with a cyberpunk concept for her look, so I'm going to be kind of playing on those two concepts, her regular look and then some cyberpunk elements. Hopefully it goes well, because I did not practice this beforehand. So yeah, let's get into it. is the end of my Cyberpunk Mitsuri tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it and will find it helpful in your own cosplay endeavors. If you want to see the full cosplay, I'll be posting it on my Instagram, and if you want 3D print file downloads and prop tutorials for the goggles that I designed, as well as holographic Cyberpunk sword, then those will also be up on my Patreon. And that is it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and check me out on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, sometimes TikTok, occasionally. And I don't know what that noise was. And yeah, that's it. Something else I was gonna say, and I don't remember. Oh yeah, links to all of the items I used will be in the description, and that's it. Bye.